The ability to observe without judgment is one of the highest forms of intelligence. Forget your age if you have dreams to achieve. You are still young. Bitter truth. One day the people you sacrifice everything for will tell you they never forced you to do anything for them. As long as your hands are clean, those who beat the drum of shame for you shall turn to themselves. Choose the window that hurts you, regardless of the view. Inside every person you know, there's a person you don't know. Honesty saves everyone's time. People will sink the whole ship just because they can't be the captain. Loyalty is when you have my back behind my back. I will never forget who gave me a hard time when I was already having a hard time. My life became private when I realized it's not my enemies who hate me the most. Never let anyone recruit you into hating someone who has never wronged you. I hate when people can't see the wrong in their actions, but always find time to find them in yours. Before you judge someone about their anger, ask them about their pain.